What's up guys, I'm Frank, and in this ARMA 3 video I'm going to quickly show you how to get an AI unit to play an animation. So if you watched the previous video I made where I showed you how to open up the animation viewer and view animations and their class names, then you're ready to watch this video. Basically, this is an example of an animation that I've been working on. Basically, these AI units are playing all custom animations, and that's just one example. Then we have another example over here. This guy on a HESCO barrier just chilling, and this guy's also playing a custom animation. And then finally we have the two hanger slots here. We have a A10 being worked on, as well as a Comanche. And that's just some examples of units playing animations. This video is going to basically show you how to get an AI unit to play an animation that interacts with an object. So let's just do that. First thing we're going to do is place our player unit. By clicking on the unit creation tool here in the top left, and then double clicking on the map. And then let's actually create our AI unit. And let's name him Guy1. Let's also ungroup him. Next, let's create a helicopter. So double click inside this hangar, for example. Go to air. Let's go to RH66 Comanche. And let's name this Dam Heli 1. We'll make it look a little damaged too. Why not? Alright. So next, let's actually rotate this too. To rotate it, you just select it and then hold shift and left click. Next, click on the Waypoint creation tool here in the top left. It's the icon that looks like a footprints icon. And then make sure while this guy is selected, you double click. And we'll create the waypoint on top of his own position. And in the on activation field, we'll paste this line of code here. To explain what this does is Guy1 setBehaviour sets the behavior to safe or relaxed mode. This code here sets the tells the unit to play an animation, and in here in the quotation marks is the class name of the animation. Next is the Guy1 disable anim. This basically will disable Guy1's ability to perform other animations aside from ragdolling when he dies. Guy1 attachTo. This here, this whole line of code will basically attach him to the helicopter. And this right here, of course, is the name of the helicopter that we gave it. It could be anything. Yeah, just make sure it's the same name that we gave to the object, whatever you want to attach him to. And here's the XYZ values of that object. So he'll be attached to the XYZ of that object. So that, for example, this right here is like the elevation. So yeah. Anyway, here's the Guy1 set direction. This set direction will set its direction of the unit, basically, and it'll be basically, in this case, 0 would be the direct front of this. So if you set 0, he will be facing this way. You know, if he was in the pilot seat, he'd be facing that way. So anyway, let's have that in there. Okay, now he has a waypoint. If you put it on top of his own position, he should accomplish his waypoint immediately and be pretty much teleported to the or attached to the helicopter, and he'll be performing the animation that we gave him. Then go to preview, and you see he already just instantly pretty much teleported, and he got attached to this helicopter, and he's performing in an animation. So anyway, that's how you get an AI unit to play an animation. Hopefully this video is helpful, and I'll do more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.